Hi, welcome to a how-to video on looking after your SMEG dishwasher. So salt, rinse aid and cleaning your filters. So the rinse aid, all you got to do is twist this cap from here to here and then you pull it up. Inside we also have a indicator from 6 to 1, and this indicates how many milliliters of rinse aid is used per cycle. Just have to grab hold of it. It's a bit difficult, but you can do it. Generally I like to set it on 2 and it's on 3. We'll just use this knife. There we go. So, easy way of doing it, you can grip it, but an easy way is to use a kitchen knife to adjust. Then once you're done, place the cap in this triangle here and then turn so both hollow triangles match. With the bottom washing rack out, we can now gain access to the stuff underneath. When I say stuff, I mean we've got a salt refill, our filters and the bottom washing arm. So your salt refill obviously untwists and then you can top it up. If you want to adjust the salt, again grab your trusty kitchen knife and adjust it so. Right, so if the kitchen knife doesn't work, grab yourself a flathead screwdriver like this and you can adjust it by we'll adjust it to 2 on this. Next we'll take a look at this. This is your spray arm, and it's a spray arm with a spray arm. To get it out and to service it, all you have to do is pull it up. It's got these clips and it rotates around this thing here. All you want to do with this is to inspect the holes and make sure they're clear of food and any rubbish, etc. And if there is, you need to get it out. If you've got poor washing results, it's usually the case that these jets are usually clogged. The filter. To get the filter out, all you have to do is, well, there's arrows on these. Follow the arrows and lift out. You then want to look inside it, check for any solid materials, and to clear this little mesh, grab yourself a toothbrush, run it under some water and brush over the mesh. This will force any of the particles that have clung to the side of the mesh to fall back off again and down the sink. If needs be, which usually don't, sometimes this can be removed to be cleaned. And while you've got this out, just quickly inspect down below in here for any, again, objects, etc. The last thing you want is a piece of broken plate clogging the wash pump, which is quite a common cause. Anyway, to put the filter back in, just drop it in anywhere and then twist anti-clockwise. It will eventually fall into place and then it will start rotating. The top wash spray arm is always attached to the bottom of the top rack. So to undo it, all you gotta do There we go. You've got to twist that. As we can see there, there's a tiny bit of muck, but nothing detrimental. So we'll just grab our toothbrush and just flick it out. Right, again, after inspecting all the jets for any debris inside, I think we can say this is fine. There we go, there's a tiny bit there. What we'll do with this is we'll get something called a prodder. What we'll have to do is push it backwards. What you're best doing is taking this to a sink. Got anything jammed in, use the prodder to push it back in, and use water in the jets, falling onto the jets to push it backwards. You'll soon get it out of there. Right, with the piece of debris now dislodged, what we're going to do is get a set of tweezers. It's a bit hard to see in there. But there is a piece of debris. We're going to use our tweezers to try and grab it. Might take a few attempts. What I keep doing is just blowing into the holes, these ones, to push it back down again. So if it keeps falling down, it doesn't really matter too much. I've just tapped it downwards. And there we go, we can probably see it. Ta-da! We've got it. As we can see, it's a small, tiny wrapper, at the end of a wrapper, possibly a dishwasher tablet wrapper. May have fallen in, may have been a wrapper on a plate and it's accidentally gone in. Right, so with that clear, and there's no others, it's completely clear now. So we're going to put this back in. When we put this on, we want this to go over that. And then, see this here? This is a gear. We want to twist until it locks. Then just twizzle the arm around a bit to make sure it doesn't just fall off. There we go. Same with the bottom one. Put the bottom one in. Spin it round. And there we go. That is a how-to guide. And finally, last thing you want to check is this top little sprayer here. Again, just check for any debris. Nothing caught in the two nozzle. Again, just check for debris. Check that there's nothing caught in the two nozzles. Right. There we go. This is a how-to guide on the SMEG dishwasher. I hope you found this how-to guide informative and useful. Thank you for watching.